What's up everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Well, Dylan here. We have some big updates that Uber, DoorDash, and Lyft are potentially seeing hundreds of thousands of new gig workers. We're gonna get into it. You don't wanna miss this video, and maybe it's not gonna be worth it to drive for these gig apps anymore very soon. So, we're gonna get into the numbers, the details, the new studies, etc., everything. But before we do, I wanna thank our video sponsor, WorkSolo. Solo is an incredible business app for drivers, and actually might be more worth it now than ever to sign up, because when you do sign up, they're gonna guarantee your income. So when you go out and drive, they're gonna guarantee that you hit these high number rates. And if you don't, they're gonna pay you the difference. So you might as well clock in. And right now, if you have an active gig account for any of these apps, they're gonna send you $10 for signing up for free nationwide, anywhere in the country. Even if you live in Timbuktu, Idaho, sign up for Solo right now, link your gig account, they're gonna send you 10 stinking dólares. 10 dólares for signing up for one of these apps, and it helps you manage your income, guarantee your daily pay, and compare your performance across different apps. Pretty cool. So check out WorkSolo, and their daily guarantee pay feature is expanding to more and more cities all the time. So go check it out. And now let's get started. So Uber, DoorDash, and Lyft could see hundreds of thousands of new gig workers because of recession, analysts say. Uber and Lyft. So if you just signed up for Uber because you are low on money, more people are getting low on money. Echoing what gig company executives have been saying lately, Bank of America Securities. I actually am a Bank of America member. They wrote in a note Tuesday that companies could see an upside from a recession and higher unemployment this year, hundreds of thousands of more gig workers. For the ride-sharing industry, bookings could see downside with less commute and travel traffic, but a recession should drive better labor supply availability. Then they don't expect the US government to provide any more aid to gig workers, like the emergency pandemic unemployment assistance that was extended to ride-hailing drivers during COVID-19. Bank of America economists expect U.S. unemployment rate to rise from 3% to 5% this year, which would equal about 19 million unemployed and underemployed people. They said there's a potential of 450,000 new drivers for Uber and possibly 600,000 drivers for DoorDash. Sorry, 450,000 drivers for Uber and Lyft, and 600,000 new drivers for DoorDash and Uber Eats. There could be overlap between drivers and careers because many drivers work for more than one app. This is why it's super important that you do sign up for Solo, because with all the other drivers out there not making as much money, when you do sign up, they're gonna make sure that you do hit those high paying dollar amounts. Like as you can see here, you hit 23 bucks for Instacart, for example. So yeah, that's freaking nuts. Let's keep reading. Absolutely all internet companies have exposure to a recession, so investors are looking for silver linings. Here, that the economy means it's very competitive for both drivers and customers. If the cost of capital goes up and more drivers become available, that could help offset the risk. That's crazy. That's crazy, guys. One thing we do know, though, is that Uber and Lyft aren't paying drivers more money. Uber and Lyft driver pay isn't keeping up with soaring fares. This new study shows that Uber and Lyft has been increasing the prices for passengers, but driver pay has only climbed 31%, while the fares increased by 50% from 2019 to 2022. So they're increasing the price of rides, but not increasing the price of driver pay. So you might think, oh yeah, Uber and Lyft becoming more popular. Well, they're gonna hike the prices for the rides, but they ain't giving that money to drivers. Where do you think that money's going? It's going to Uber Khosrowshahi's $17 million house. Uber executives, look at this. Uber was Dara Khosrowshahi house, San Francisco, 17 million. How do you think he's gonna afford to go, to pay his mortgage? He has a $17 million house he's gotta pay for. This is it right here. This is his house. I mean, in the city of San Francisco. This guy's ballin', guys. Do you guys really think that, oh wow, I'm not gonna dox his address. But this is public. But he's a centimillionaire. What is a centimillionaire? I never even heard of that. What is a centimillionaire? One whose estimated wealth is $100 million or more. Guys, there's literally an article on Forbes. Forbes verifies all this stuff, by the way, so Forbes doesn't ever lie on their things. They're calling him having over $100 million. That's how he makes so much money, guys, is from drivers and cutting driver pay. It's literally how it works, so. Anyways, I'm gonna end the video there. I'm rambling at this point, but make sure you sign up for Solo, the best gig app for gig workers, and you can, you know, get guaranteed pay. Oh, and by the way, when you sign up right now with our link, you get 10 bucks simply for signing up and linking your gig account. So make sure you do that. It's free anywhere in the nation in the United States of America. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Let me know your thoughts on this one down below, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye now.